so costly, too costly for me. And as far as I've printed things out, in the past, having experience both locally and online, this wasn't worth the risk of the colours being untrue. So the investment, no. So I just settled on a box of 40 cards from Amazon in this design. I like the gold and would have preferred red, but the green will do just fine, as they're not for me, they're for the people I visit. There's 2 more important parts to this before we sign the card and address the envelope. First, I went to Walmart and I printed off some pictures of me. It's a very specific photo of me, and I wanted to ensure the colours were true because they print instantly at Walmart. I could check them, and each print was about 6 cents, so you could even just print different ones. There you are.